what's yours is already written, baby, girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Designed by Amari, where we talk about digital products, passive income, and crafting. If you haven't yet already, subscribe for me. Hit the subscribe button. Come with me as I go get the supplies for a 3D cake topper. We made it to Joann's. Joann. It's just Joann. And why would they have my two favorite places right across the street that are tempting me? Here's Dutch Bros. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm hooked on their coffee. And then we have Popeyes over here. You know, why would they do that to me? Two of my favorite places right here. Why? I'm trying to eat better. Why? Okay, so let's get into the store and let's go find all the things we need for our 3D cake topper. These are the supplies that I'm using. This is the cardstock that I'm using. I laid out all the colors that I'll be using. I'm going to use this foil cardstock, this Kodak picture paper for the actual photos that I have. This is the key to the 3D look. This is the key, the 3D foam squares. Of course, I got my scissors. This is the glue that I'm going to be using for my 3D topper. And then my sticks. So I don't think I'll be using that one, but I may glue these two together. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to play around with it. But these are the supplies that I'll be using. What, $34.69?
Love's got a way about it. Like everything you say got me stuck on you. It's not always pretty, but I'm lost without it. Cause you're the way, the light, and the perfect truth. Forgot to love this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray to you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I won't run from you. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. I'll do for you what you do. Know that I'm all in with you. I'll do for you. Want you to know I'm all in. I'll do what you want me to show you that I'm all in. And I know you know I be messing up, but you hold me close when I'm reckless and caught up. Don't know how I got you sprung. The only one to lead, and I will follow, no mistrust. The God of all my needs, oh why you got me falling in love. So that's the red you don't wanna trust. You got me falling in love. So that's the red you don't wanna trust. I'll do what you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, you Proverbs 31 with it, huh? Yeah, I see. Oh, you Proverbs 31. I see. Yeah. Oh, you Proverbs 31 with it, huh? I see. Oh, you virtuous, yeah. Faithful, all around, hold it down for the crib. I know you won't trip. When I tell you got me talking, and we gotta do what he said, I know you'll trust it. Oh, you a winner over many, and we wait until we ringed up. You ain't even trying to tempt me.
The background. My baby, I missed you.
key to the whole 3D effect on toppers is layers. So if you can see, like even behind the transformer, I have layers, because what we want to do is we want to use our 3D foam tape to kind of lift each piece, but you have to have layers to lift. So the key behind the 3D topper is layers. And I also have, let's see, let me show you all. Let me just change this color so you can see. I even have the background layered. So that's going to be a layer too. So when I put this behind here, we're even going to lift this. So this will be layered as well. So just know whatever pieces you do, make sure you do maybe 2 to 3 layers. So even behind my car, I have this black layer and this dark gray layer. So that's the key to the whole 3D effect, is creating layers for each of your parts of your topper and having one big layer to connect it all together. So if you'd like me to do a video on how I actually designed this, let me know down in the comments and I'll go ahead and try to do a more in-depth, because I'm going to show you the design process, but I'm not going to go into depth on how I did it. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comment section. So the first thing we're going to do is print out like our actual real photos, like the transformer and the car, on our Kodak photo paper. So we're going to do that first. And when you put the paper in the printer, on my printer, you have to put it in face down. So we'll go ahead and input. I'm just going to put 2 sheets because I don't think I can fit both pictures on one sheet. So we'll put that in there. Now I'm going to hit send to printer. And this is what I'm printing. So I actually could fit everything on the page when I noticed that the topper is probably a little too big. So I'm going to hit next. We'll go ahead and add the bleed. And we're going to send it to my HP printer. So now it's going to start printing. Struggling with my printer. It's putting these lines through, and I did a cleaning. I did all that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I mean, it got better over the course of cleaning it. So I'm just gonna use this one for now. And if I think it looks too bad, I'm gonna redo the whole topper anyway. But we're gonna use this for now until I can figure out what's going on with my printer, why it's still doing the lines. I don't know how many more cleanings I can do before it looks fine. It doesn't look that bad, but I'm kind of a perfectionist when it comes to making stuff, so we'll just use this one for now. We'll use this one for now. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one. I'm gonna go ahead and line it up perfectly so it doesn't. We want to line it up perfectly. So that's the thing, y'all. Like, you have to line this up so it can cut perfectly. So there we go. Okay. But it should recognize these lines. So I guess technically it didn't have to be super perfect. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna go ahead to make. I've already printed it, so we're gonna go ahead and go to cut. It's gonna ask if I want to send to printer. I'm gonna say already printed. And we're gonna get it cut out. Yeah.
If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
I stay out the way. I wake up, I gotta pray, yeah, yeah. There ain't no other way. Then I'd rather start my day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Cause without you, I start doubting myself. And I realize I just need your help. And all I want is to get better. I tried to do what I wanted, it only left me fed up. And I used to think that it was my way or the highway. Now I know that it's not about me, it's all about Yahweh, Yahweh. I admit that I was wrong and now I'm coming to you with my hands up, hands up, yeah. All I'm asking is that you will come and put some living water in my cup, yeah, 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 yeah. Saying, Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up, 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 up. Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. My cup runneth over. Many times you told me over and over that the prayer was too high, it had to be lower. You've been teaching me about true faith, now I'm trying to get a new. Yeah, yeah, but I really don't even trust myself. All I want is to get closer to you. And many times I have problems understanding your glory. But how can I have faith in you and at the same time worry? Yeah, but I need you now. I need you now. I admit that I was wrong and now I'm coming to you with my hands up. And all I'm asking is that you will come and put some living water in my cup. Put it in my cup, yeah. Holy Spirit, fill me up, cause I had enough. Holy Spirit, fill me up. And it's about time I gave it to you. And it's about time I do all the things that you want me to do. And it's about
So we're almost towards the end. It's looking good. I don't think it's too bad for my first 3D topper. I'm so excited. So I still have the gears over here and then the name It is a little tedious, don't get me wrong, but I am so in love with it. It's so cute. I'm so excited, guys. So hit me up in the comments if you want a personal 3D topper. I think as I practice more, I'll get better. But literally for my first time, I think this is really good. I designed it myself, cut it out. Y'all, I am finally finished. I am so proud of this. Like, I do not think this is bad for my first attempt. Now, to make it more 3D, because I mean, it is 3D, don't get me wrong. I could do more layers. Oh shoot, hold on, my little light is going out. Okay, we'll have to do without the light. But I could do more layers to make it have more of a 3D effect. But I am so proud of this. Like, it was so fun to make, so cute. I can't wait. And I do think I will sell this design, probably the design, and I will offer the service to make them. So I am just so freaking happy and proud. I don't know, you know, these sticks, I didn't actually glue them yet, so that may be kind of long, but we'll see about the sticks. This was trial and error. I'm so happy with it though, y'all. It's so cute. So cute. So comment if you have any questions below about the process. You know, do you like it? What could I have done differently? Do you have any tips, tricks, things that I could have done better? Leave it all in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it.
Gotta give it to you when it fits. Sipping through your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime.